Here is the package.
Are you listening? Damn.
What does it contain? This kind of purse, 2 microphones like this, and some clipses. What else? Oops. This is the one connecting to the phone. And here are the clips putting there, I think. And then connection. And what is there here? Let me see. Let's put those away. Aha, earphones. And then a connection cable. And some manual. And there's a connection also. Is this for, I don't know what is this. Seems like a SIM card or something like that. I don't know. What on earth is this one? Yeah. I have bought this from Amazon DE Amazon. I will test this later on. Let's look a little bit what is inside of this manual. Ooh. It's in English, German, so that means Deutsch, and nothing else. Oh, there's some other languages hidden somewhere. Wireless microphone. And that must be French, I think, yes. Wireless, this is wireless microphone, sans fil. Interesting. Let's see what it's inside that. There's some plastics around them also. Let me see what I can get about this. This is a purse to put the microphones in, I think. So there, here, like this.